So it's Christmas Day, but I got no girl saying I went, so I'm gonna solve an integral instead. So looking at this, you might be tempted to use some, I don't know, like some inverse trig integral because you got u here and u here and you got a 1 here, but the 2 here fucking ruins everything, just like how I ruined your life. So the next best thing you can do is, like, obviously the first next best thing you know, because that's probably the only thing you know, is use u sub, right? So what can we u sub in this thing? So if you look, we got a square root of x here, and we got another 1 over square root of x. So yes, so the obvious u sub would be like you do something, let this whole block be u, and like this times some like constant, because there's 2 here, some constant equals du, like this times dx is du. So let's try doing that. So just rewrite this so it's easier to see. So integral of 1 over square root of x times 1 over 1 minus 2 square root of x, right, dx. So let's try u subbing by finding the derivative of this thing first. So let's have our little corner here. So 1 minus 2 square root of x d over dx. So we have, this is 0 here because it's a constant, minus 2, okay, times what is square root of, let's rewrite this so it's easier to see, x negative 5, right? So 5, so we move that down here, and we minus 1, so it's negative. So it's negative x negative to the power of negative 4. So it's 1 over negative 1 over square root of x is the derivative of this thing with respect to x. Okay, so we already got negative square root of 1 over square root of x. You just have to add this thing here, which is times negative 1. So to do that, we just add negative 1 outside, and then we add negative 1 inside, so it's cancel out, right? Simple. So then we add 1 over 2 square root of x dx. Okay, so what's next is we're just gonna use up this. We're gonna let this equal u, and this thing's times dx equals du. So we got negative integral of 1 over u du. So we have negative natural log of the absolute value of u plus c, don't forget the plus c, equals negative natural log of what is u again? Use this as thing. So 1 minus 2 square root of x plus c. Simple.